welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a TEMU home organization haul. Last year I did some TEMU related videos and it had to do a lot more with home decor items, but this time I wanted to focus on more organization themed items. As you will see, I feel like if TEMU has a really great and wide variety of home organization type of items that can tend to easily be overlooked, so I'll be sharing with you some of my top finds that I love and that are helping me to keep my life and my home organized. By the way, all of the items that you see here will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check them out. First up is this shoe organizer. If you watched my last video, you would have seen it, but I love this shoe organizer because it is white, clear, and has that very clean-cut minimalist vibe that you guys know I absolutely adore. This was so easy to set up. It ships flat and all you have to do is literally pull it right up, snap in the front and back pieces, and that is it. You have your shelves up and running and ready to stock your shoes in. I love that it has a clear front view so you can easily see everything. You can even color code if you have that many shoes. When I moved into my new home, I did not have any shoe storage. This was perfect and exactly what I was looking for. You can even stack them on top of each other and just tuck them into a corner and you have all of your shoes really nice and organized. I've been wanting a mini vacuum cleaner for the longest while. I think this is so useful, especially when it comes to cleaning out inside of drawers, on countertops, or even your desk. This one comes with different attachments that can be used to clean hard to reach areas like the corners and far back pieces of drawers. Before I had this, I would literally have to scoop up everything, which I was not a fan of, and now I can just go in with my vacuum cleaner and vacuum everything up and switch out the heads for different surfaces. This has been making me so motivated in my cleaning routines to just clean those areas that I normally would have neglected. Next up is this snack organizer. This was way bigger than I thought it was. You guys, I really need to get some sort of measuring tape or some sort of spatial understanding because I always mismeasure, but nonetheless, look how cute it is. It has this little handle and I can't wait to stock this up with fruits, vegetables, and snacks for the week so that whenever I'm feeling snackish, I can just pull this entire thing out and snack from it. And this will definitely take out that option of eating a ton of junk because I can stock it up. This is also great if you have to go on like a long trip. For instance, if you're going to the beach, you can literally do like popcorn, some fruits, crackers. You can even do charcuterie bits inside of here, and you have this really nice snack box. Okay, so this is built up now. Obviously it will ship flat, but this is like the pull out situation that you can have underneath your sink. I've been seeing under sink organization all over and I've been really inspired, especially since now that I have all of my custom built furniture, I can just use these. This can also, I feel like, be used in a pantry as well. If you have like lots of spices or cans, you can use this to pull out whatever you need instead of having to reach far behind. This was also very easy to set up and it's so functional. I think I need more of these for underneath, and I think I'm gonna do like in my bathroom, my toiletries, soaps, like anything extra like that, because it's very, very useful and functional and it looks really nice. I love how it looks. I also got this strainer. So I've been looking for a strainer that I've been seeing everywhere that it literally strains, and when you pour it out, it holds the items in the basin while pouring out of the water, and I actually got this one on TEMU. And also what I liked about it is the fact that it had these different top compartments that you can grate in as well as use as a mandolin. Normally if you use a grater, you would need to get an extra bowl or something like that, but you have a strainer as well as a grater all in one, and all the pieces are so easy to interchange. That is what I love about it. This color is not the pink that I would have wanted. It's a bit more like pink brown, but that is just minor compared to how functional it is and how much things I can use it for. I literally am feeling the urge to make some pasta or rice just to strain it and just to like wash my vegetables in or just anything like that. It is literally perfect and exactly what you need, and there are tons of different colors as well. I also got these clear vegetable organizers or fruit organizers, whatever it is, and it comes with this built-in strainer as well that you can wash all of your fruits and vegetables in, soak it, and I love doing like a vinegar and baking soda soak, and then you can strain it out easily and pack it together, and it works so good. This, I've wanted these containers for such a long time to organize my fruits and vegetables, and they have different colors as well. This was a 3-in-1 container, so it came with a really big one, a medium-sized one, and a small one. So if you're looking to organize your fruits and vegetables, you can definitely think about this. Next up, I picked up this mini portable fan, and I know this is like the most random thing ever, but honestly, I feel like if everyone and their mother has this fan except for me. So as soon as I saw it on TEMU, I was like, I'm pulling this out because this is perfect for the summer, perfect for going to the beach or any amusement park or anything. Everybody literally has one of these fans. And this one comes with a stand, so you can plop it on the stand and you can put it on your desk while you're working or whenever you're doing your makeup or just something like that. This has 3 different fan speeds and you can plug it into charge. Of course, it is pink, you know I had to get the pink one, and this was so inexpensive, and they have tons of different colors as well. But I'm so happy to finally be included in the portable fan club because you guys, I was not welcomed. The last few items, of course, I had to pick up for my cats, and I got tons of the cutest cat bowls and feeding things for my cat, and I've wanted that for such a long time. First up, how cute is this pink cat bowl? It is an elevated bowl which helps with their neck while they're eating. It is the cutest little cat shape. This is plastic. There are ceramic options as well, but this was just really inexpensive, and I thought it would be nice for like their wet food and make it look really, really cute. And I love pink, so my cats also love pink. And I also got this slow feeder liki mat, and it comes with these suction at the back of it, so you can plop it down onto your counter and it stays. So if your cat is eating, it does not move. You can also suction it down to the floor. This is perfect for any cat who tends to inhale their food, like my beautiful little gray cat. She's sleeping right next to me and she's obsessed with inhaling her food. It's the most crazy thing ever. So this helps her to slow down, and this also helps with motor skills, and they have a ton of benefits for slow feeding. This one is so cute. It is purple with a yellow center. I love it. I think it's just so pretty. Next up, I picked up this can opener. I've also been seeing this everywhere, and this is really cute because it has that paw print on top of it that I love, and you just, instead of using your nails, because I don't like using my nails to open any cans, so instead of using your nails, you push this underneath and snap open the can, and it's really good. And it also came with this little paw shaped can cover. If you have a cat, you guys need to get these cute little feeding supplies because they're so cute, and it's gonna brighten up your kitchen space, and not to mention the way your cat eats is just gonna look so fun and colorful. Okay, last up, hear me out. You guys are gonna be like, what even is this? It is called sisal rope, and if you're a cat owner, you definitely know what sisal is. This is what you have on the cat tree that you use to wrap around. Cats are innately prone to scratching, so it can get very, very old and worn down at times. Like mine is in a hot mess. I've always wanted to do that DIY where I re-rope all of their cat trees. This was such an inexpensive price, and you got like 90 meters of rope, which I'm so excited to do this little DIY project with. I feel like if this is gonna make my cat tree look so much better, because it is in a hot mess right now, and I'm looking forward to this. And again, the price was just so good. I've needed a rope for the longest while, so I'm really excited to get this project done and see how it turns out. They also have even longer amounts than this, which I think I might have to go back and get because this is just too much of a good deal to pass up. That is the end of my TEMU haul. All of the items will of course be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. Comment down below and let me know which was your favorite item that you saw from here. And if you didn't know, TEMU, like I showed you, has tons of amazing home organization. If you want to see more home decor items, you can check out my video down below, which I did last year, where I shared with you a TEMU home decor type of haul. But yeah, thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like these. Also, don't forget to subscribe on your way out so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.